Welcome to the instructions video for the Prop Pitch Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine propeller pitch, which is the theoretical distance a propeller moves forward with each complete revolution. It's essential for optimizing performance in boats, aircraft, and drones. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key measurements. First, input the propeller diameter in inches. Let's use 24 inches as an example. Next, enter the blade angle in degrees, measured at the reference point along the blade. We'll enter 15 degrees. You'll also specify the radius percentage where the blade angle is measured, typically 75% of the total radius. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the propeller pitch, showing you the theoretical forward distance traveled per revolution. This helps you understand how your propeller will perform and whether it's suited for speed or torque applications. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.